This is a template of dough calculator or calculadora de masa in Spanish. It's available in both language, English and Spanish. You're going to be able to find both of the templates on the same document once you buy it. So this is divided in part 1 and part 2. You can use these parts together, or you can do the math separately. And what I mean is that the first one is based on flour and the second one is based on balls and the number of balls you need. So this is very simple to use. I'm going to erase these numbers so you can see. Let's say we have in this white cell we're going to be writing down the amount of flour we're going to be using, and then automatically this is going to show us the remaining ingredients: water, salt, and yeast. Please make sure that this baker's math is the one you want, because if you want to change it, it's going to change all these remaining ingredients, which is fine. Just make sure that if you're going to change it, just keep the percentage sign, because then it's not going to work. So let's say one of the common things that people change is the hydration percentage, the water. So if we want, let's say, a dough with 68% of hydration, we only click 68, and then it's going to change the water. The same is going to go, it's going to be for the salt and yeast and flour. If you want to change the percentage, just change it, and it's going to change the total amount of ingredients that you need. The part 2 is based on balls needed or the weight, which means that let's say we need 12 balls of 250 grams. This is going to automatically tell us how much flour, water, salt, and yeast we are going to be using. Please, if you wanna, this is going to give you very exact numbers, so you can like round them. Let's say here you could use 1,072 grams of flour. You don't have to go this specific. I mean, it's pretty much impossible, but like this is the idea. If you want 24, it's going to give you more. If you want 24 but like the weight to be 190, again, it's going to do the math. So this is very useful. Please make sure to don't change the cells that are in color, because otherwise the formula is going to erase, and then it's going to be a problem, because the template is not going to work as you expect it to work. Finally, we have this, that is the weight. Even if it's in color, you could change the ingredients. As I mentioned, you could use this template together, or you can use it separately, the part 1 from the part 2. And it's because this math is going to be based on the result of these numbers of this recipe. So let's say you don't need this part because you already have a recipe. You only need to know how many balls, how much quantity you need for like a specific amount of balls, or you want to change the weight. So the only thing you're going to do here is change these numbers. You put like your amount of flour, water, salt, and yeast. You are able to do that. Just make sure and remind that if you do it, you are not going to be able to use it as a formula for a future reference. You are going to be able to do it only manually.